The TCL C1 and Playcube projector are redefining what it means to bring a cinematic experience into your home or on the go. These two devices combine portability, powerful visuals, and smart functionality into a compact package that delivers 4K clarity, Netflix-certified streaming, and Google TV integration, all while maintaining a sleek, minimalist design. The TCL C1 projector is engineered for high-quality visuals. With 750 ISO lumens and an advanced LED light engine, it delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crisp details that hold up in moderately lit rooms. Every scene is clear, sharp, and immersive, making it ideal for movies, series, or presentations. Whether you're watching in HDR or standard 4K, TCL's image processing ensures smooth motion and accurate color reproduction, which is impressive for a projector of this size. Paired with the TCL Playcube, this setup becomes a versatile, portable powerhouse. The Playcube features Google TV, giving instant access to Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and thousands of other streaming apps without the need for external devices. This eliminates the hassle of cables, adapters, or additional streaming hardware. Everything is integrated, clean, and ready to use right out of the box. One of the highlights is the autofocus and keystone correction features. They allow the projector to automatically adjust the image to fit any surface or angle, delivering a perfectly rectangular display without manual calibration. Projection sizes can reach up to 150 inches, creating a truly immersive home theater or outdoor cinema experience. Audio is another area where TCL excels. Dolby audio support ensures rich, clear, and dynamic sound. The audio is full-bodied and natural, filling the room without distortion. For an enhanced experience, it can connect via Bluetooth to external speakers or soundbars. Voice control adds convenience, allowing quick navigation, content search, and volume adjustment using Google Assistant or Alexa. Design and build quality are premium. The C1 and Playcube feature a sleek matte finish with rounded edges, giving them a modern, minimalistic look. They are lightweight, portable, and easy to handle, making them suitable for indoor or outdoor use. Whether set on a table, mounted on a tripod, or carried for travel, the design balances style and functionality. Netflix certification is a standout feature. Many projectors require workarounds to stream Netflix, but TCL's official certification guarantees smooth 4K playback directly through Google TV. This ensures high-quality streaming without extra setup, delivering a seamless user experience. For gamers, the low-latency performance is excellent. Whether connecting a console, PC, or smartphone wirelessly, input lag remains minimal, providing responsive gameplay. Casual gamers and cloud gaming enthusiasts will appreciate this level of performance, which keeps gameplay smooth and enjoyable. Energy efficiency and long lamp life add practical value. TCL's LED technology minimizes power consumption while providing thousands of hours of use without dimming or overheating. This ensures reliable performance for movie marathons, gaming sessions, or work presentations. In summary, the TCL C1 and Playcube projector combo delivers a premium, portable, and versatile visual experience. It combines 4K clarity, Netflix-certified streaming, Dolby audio, Google TV integration, and smart automation into a compact, stylish design. Perfect for home theaters, travel, or outdoor entertainment, it makes high-quality projection accessible and convenient. For anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment setup with portability, powerful visuals, and smart features, the TCL C1 Plus Playcube projector is a compelling choice. To get your hands on this combo and experience its 4K performance and smart capabilities, check the link in the description.